You won't believe these 7 high-protein vegan breakfasts. If you're searching for the perfect vegan high-protein breakfasts that are easy to make, packed with flavor, and guaranteed to fuel your day, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, I'll be sharing a week's worth of delicious, protein-packed vegan breakfast ideas that are sure to become your new favorites. Whether you're looking for quick meal prep solutions or something a bit more special for a lazy morning, I've got you covered. Let's jump right into it with our first recipe. We're starting the week strong with a mouth-watering Tempeh Benedict. This recipe is an amazing twist on a classic, but completely plant-based and full of protein. To begin, I'm marinating chickpea tempeh, my favorite kind, in a blend of soy sauce, maple syrup, smoked paprika, and olive oil. This marinade gives the tempeh a rich, smoky flavor, which is perfect for this dish. Once the tempeh is nicely coated, set it aside to marinate while we whip up the star of the show, a creamy, protein-packed vegan hollandaise. It's made with silken tofu, nutritional yeast, lemon juice, and a touch of vegan butter. Once everything is blended until smooth, we fry up the marinated tempeh until it's golden and crispy on both sides. Now, it's time to assemble. Toast some English muffins, add fresh spinach, lay the crispy tempeh on top, and drizzle that luscious hollandaise. This high-protein breakfast is perfect for a strong start to the week. On Tuesday, we're indulging in something a bit more comforting: orange yogurt pancakes. These pancakes are light and fluffy, but still packed with whole wheat flour and flax meal for added fiber and protein. I start by mixing vanilla soy milk, flax meal, and some raw sugar for sweetness. In goes the whole wheat flour and baking soda, and we whisk everything until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. I fry these up in a bit of vegan butter, which adds a lovely richness. For the topping, I'm making an orange yogurt cream by mixing vanilla soy yogurt with fresh orange zest and juice. Stack the pancakes, drizzle on the orange cream, and finish with some fresh strawberries. These pancakes are the perfect balance of zesty and sweet, and they come together in no time. Wednesday morning calls for something simple yet satisfying: a chickpea omelette. This recipe brings back some nostalgia for me because I used to make it all the time, but now I'm bringing it back into rotation. Chickpea flour is the base, and when blended with garlic powder, onion powder, and a touch of black salt, it creates an omelette batter that's incredibly smooth and flavorful. Pour the batter into a frying pan, let it cook until golden, and flip it over. For the filling, I'm keeping it fresh with spinach and sun-dried tomatoes, and a drizzle of barbecue sauce for a tangy kick. This recipe is high in protein, super quick to make, and it always hits the spot. Thursday's breakfast might just be my favorite of the week: sun-dried tomato beans on sourdough. It's hearty, flavorful, and incredibly nourishing. I start by sauteing diced onions in olive oil until they're soft and caramelized. Then, I add in chopped sun-dried tomatoes, which bring a deep, umami flavor. Next, in goes the tomato paste, which helps create a rich base for the beans. I toss in butter beans for protein, followed by a sprinkle of smoked paprika and nutritional yeast. Let everything simmer until the flavors melt together. Once it's ready, I serve these savory beans on top of toasted sourdough bread, with crispy kale on the side and a dollop of cashew cream. It's a complete, filling breakfast that keeps me going for hours. Friday's breakfast has a little bit of a twist: Mexican-inspired Tofu Scramble Tacos. Tofu Scramble is one of my all-time favorite breakfasts, but we're switching things up today with some bold taco seasoning. I crumble tofu into a pan with onions and garlic, then add nutritional yeast, veggie stock powder, and soy milk to keep it creamy. Taco seasoning adds a smoky, spicy edge, making this scramble perfect for stuffing into tortillas. I top it off with cashew cream cheese and fresh cilantro for extra flavor. It's quick, packed with protein, and perfect for meal prep. For Saturday, we're going with a chia pudding that I prepped the night before. This chocolate peanut butter chia pudding is rich, creamy, and full of healthy fats and protein. I blend together soy milk, chia seeds, peanut butter, cacao powder, and a little bit of salt. After pouring it into jars, I realized I forgot the maple syrup. Whoops! So I mix that in before popping them in the fridge to set overnight. In the morning, it's ready to go. I like to top mine with soy vanilla yogurt and fresh strawberries for a nice contrast. It's a super easy grab-and-go breakfast that's nutritious and delicious. And finally, Sunday morning is all about keeping things simple with an avocado and white bean smash. It's perfect for when you want something quick but still nourishing. I mash avocado with cannellini beans, lemon zest, lemon juice, and a little store-bought pesto. The beans add a lovely creaminess and protein boost, while the lemon zest keeps everything fresh and bright. I spread this smash onto toasted sourdough, sprinkle some fresh chives on top, and it's ready to enjoy. This one is especially great in the warmer months when you want something light but satisfying. And that wraps up my week of high-protein vegan breakfasts. I really hope you found a new favorite recipe to try at home. If any of these dishes stood out to you, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear which one you're most excited to make. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss out on more delicious plant-based recipes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next week with another video.